Hey guys, welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to install Unifi controller on Ubuntu 20.04 in less than 10 minutes. First thing you're going to need to do is log in as root. This is done with the sudo -i command. You may need to enter your password afterwards. Once you've done that, copy the first command over, and this is going to update everything and install the certifications. Okay, so now that one's done, let's copy the next command over, ignore the update part. This is then going to ask you a few questions that you need to pick yes or no to. This will take time, depends on how fast your system is, depends on what you're running it on. This will install any updates and upgrades, as well as the software that is needed to install the Unifi controller. Just in case you're wondering, I'm running this on a Proxmox machine with 4 GB of RAM, 4 cores, 2 threads, nothing too big, nothing too little, just enough to keep it going. Not only will I be running this on the system, but I'll be running a virtual private network off of it. The next thing that's going to show up is, do you wish to keep the script on the system? I tend to say yes, but it doesn't really matter. Do you wish to proceed with updating your system? I tend to select yes, because it will update your system, update any packages, install anything that's needed to run the Unifi controller correctly. There are a lot of Unifi controller installation tutorials out there. This has to be the easiest one that I've ever found to use. If you don't want to host your own Unifi controller, there's other ways to do it. You can buy yourself a Ubiquiti cloud key, doesn't cost a lot, about £100, or you can end up going to Hostify and purchasing their services from them. Just to give you the heads up, sometimes it does come back and say it doesn't install correctly. Just do a quick update and run the command again and you'll be up and running before you know it. Would you like to update the Unifi network appliance via apps? I always select yes for this. Makes it easier to install any updates that Unifi push out. If you don't, you have to download them and install them manually, which isn't that complicated, but it can be a hassle sometimes. Just like that, we've installed the Unifi controller. Let's go to a web page to show you that it's working. Don't forget to put the HTTPS at the front and the :8443 at the end of where your Unifi controller is hosted. You'll get a security warning pop up, just accept that. It's because you don't have the SSL certificate installed. There you go, it's all up and running in less than 10 minutes.